Yes, guys. In week 4, we're going to do a scan.
Possibly week 3. Next week is the cross country,
Yes.
depending on the weather.
Yeah.
Week okay. The week after that is, I believe, year 10. So maybe the week after that. So this scan, I'm just waiting. This scan is going to ask you whether you want to be an ATAR student or not, and what subjects that you'd like to do. From that, we'll get a much better understanding of which subjects we're going to narrow down, and you will know which subjects 90% should actually run. So you will know.
So when are students officially choosing their subjects? Will it be before they've had a chance to
So
complete sub-units?
in about week 5, I believe, we have penciled down to have a parent information evening. Yourself and your parents will be coming. We'll be talking about those subjects and how the system runs. Head departments are going to talk about all those individual subjects, so you have a bit better understanding of the ins and outs about each individual subject. And in week 6, we will do a preliminary set plan where you'll put down the subjects that you want to do for next year. The official day, official week, which is called the set plan day, where you guys will have a day off and you will come in with your parents, sit down and have an interview with your teachers, and you will sign off on what subjects that you want to do for next year. It's the most important date for you for this year. That will happen around week 3 next term.
That's right. And remember, the reason it's happening in term 3 is because you will already be in your senior subjects then for term 4. Right, so some really serious thinking that you need to do, some serious decisions that you need to make. But you've got all of the information, and the next week you'll have all of the information. You've got questions?
Oh, we don't receive that note.
Yes, I believe Ms. Henningson is here with them.
I think she's given that to the teacher. The teacher will give that to you this lesson.
Yes.
Yeah, I have to answer this
Question, guys.
I couldn't answer very clearly. What if they've started their senior units here, but for some reason they have to move schools? What's the implications?
Okay, very good question. The implications are, strongly suggest you choose the exact same subjects at the next school that you go to that you're doing here. Remember I spoke about we have spiral syllabuses, meaning that what you do into Unit 1 comes back into Unit 2, 3 and 4. Right, so very, very important that you try, if that happens, and let's face it, it does happen, that you try and choose a school that offers the same subjects that we do. Right? If that's not possible, then you go to the school that your parents want to enrol you in, you make an appointment with the guidance officer or the deputy principal, and they will guide you the best they can as to what subjects you should be choosing, right? Because your pattern of study is really important. Every one of you, whether you are going to get an ATAR or whether you're going to be a pathway student, is on track, is going to be on track to get a QCE. That's not going to change. So whether or not you're going to do certificate courses and all applied subjects and you're going to go off to be a plumber, or whether or not you're going to do all general subjects and you're going to go and be a lawyer, doesn't matter, you're still going to get a QCE. It's Queensland Certificate of Education. Right, so the pattern of study really does come into play when we're looking at your QCE requirements. Good question though. Any other? Yes?
If you get an ATAR here,
Yes.
then after year 12, you decide to take it out here, and then go to uni after that, do you have to get a new ATAR?
No. So, good question. In that situation, let's say you finish your 12 here, you want to go to Croatia for 12 months, you come back. What I would suggest you do, if you already know the course you want to get into, and we'll talk to you about this in year 12, is you do your QTAC application, so you apply to the universities that you would like to go to. If your ATAR is good enough, they will offer you a place in the course, accept that place, and then defer for 12 months, so that the university will hold your position in that course. Okay? Yes.
Do you enter a subject?
Shh, guys, come on, good manners, please.
Do you enter a subject at the end of the test with the intention of following the interview? Would you be able to lower a subject level?
Absolutely. So at the end of year 10, if you've really struggled with the subject and you think that it's going to be too much for you to do well in it in year 11 and 12, then that's where we'll come in, get you in with your parents, and we'll make some changes to your course. So the idea is whatever you start Unit 1 in, year 11, that's what you're going to keep doing for 2 years. Those 6 subjects are your 6 subjects for 2 whole years. Remember, it's a course of study, it's a senior course. Right? It's not year 11 and year 12. You can't, none of this, I'm going to do a subject for 6 months, do it for a semester and change anymore. That doesn't happen now. Good questions though, guys. You're really thinking. I'm impressed. Anything else? Any other questions?